Hello, in a video I did a couple of weeks ago, I showed you how you could install Steam on your Chromebook or your Chromebox, and I also showed you how I installed the game and it worked all okay. But one of the things I recognised at the time is that you couldn't install any other game other than Linux. However, you can do that. You just need to set it up so it will install Windows games as well. So I'll quickly show you in this video what I mean, and also how you can change it in the Steam settings. So let's just move that to one side. So you do obviously need to install Linux first. You need to install Steam. If you haven't done that, just check out my channel and find the videos and it will show you what to do. So once you've done that, just open up Steam. Waiting for that, there we go. So you'll see here what I mean. For example, Cities Skylines has been purposely made for Linux as well. So here you'll see that you've got an install option. I've not managed to get it to work, unfortunately, but it is. But one game that does work, which is also made in Linux, is Prism Architect. So here you can see you've got the install option, which is all okay. But then when you try and install a game that has been made for Windows, you'll see here available for Windows, and it shows the Windows logo, but it doesn't let you install. Now, you will have to try this out for the games that you're trying to see if it works. It may not work for every game. Proton is still experimental, and that's what you have to use, and then you might have to mess about a bit, but at least it will give you the option to install it to see if it works on your particular Chromebook or Chromebox. So what you need to do, you need to go up here and go to Steam there at the top, then go to Settings, and then from here you'll be in Accounts. You need to go down to Steam Play at the bottom here. And as you can see, it's got here Steam Play settings. Steam Play will automatically install compatibility tools that allow you to play games from your library that were built for other operating systems. And it's got enable Steam Play for supported titles. So that's already there for supported titles. So that suggests anything that's supported will work. So if you're trying to install it and it won't work, which is saying available for Windows, there's an advanced option here. You can use Steam Play to test games in your library that have not been verified with a supported compatibility tool. So enable Steam Play on the titles. And then here you will obviously need to check which one you need. There's Proton Experimental and there's different versions of Proton. So it may be the case that you'll need to try different versions of Proton if one of your games don't work. So for now I won't go with Experimental, I'll just go with the 6.38, the latest one. Press OK, and then you need to restart Steam. Wait for that to restart. And what you'll find now, whereas it was showing Windows games, it was saying for Windows and the install box was grayed out, you will now see, it's asking me to type in my password. You will now see that it will allow you to install any game. So let's close that there. Go to library. So if you go to there, you'll now see it gives you the option to install. So that's how you install Windows games on Steam on your Chromebook. Whether it will work or not for each game, as I says, it may not. If not, what you could do is to uninstall the game, obviously, if it doesn't work. And then you could, but it's a lot of messing about, you could go back to Steam Play and try different versions of Proton to see if it works, or just wait until they do work, because Steam games will obviously work much better in the future with the Chromebook, because it's not far off until we're going to see Steam officially launched on the Chromebook, so you should be able to play a lot more games on the Chromebook. But until then, I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel for future videos, and thanks for watching.